presentation style a lot. It's a lot simpler to understand because he gives information pertinent to the subject and discusses other cases and statutes around the law for that particular point of interest. And that makes it a lot more easy to understand, especially for someone with less experience.
Provides such a comprehensive overview of all the intricacies of property and SMSF has just been fantastic. It's the comprehensiveness of it that's my biggest takeaway. I would definitely recommend Peter's events to other practicing accountants.